Hi guys, welcome back. It's 25th of December and Merry Christmas to all of you. I am very happy because Christmas makes me feel very happy. And I have to leave, so we'll quickly get dressed and leave. It's going to be a very interesting day. Also, I've had my coffee and I'm very happy. So it was this Merry Christmas morning, so I woke up, had my favorite Starbucks, so I'm very happy. So let's not waste more time and let's just get ready and leave. So guys, my mom and dad picked me up and we are planning to go for dinner somewhere very nice. We might as well shop, but I'm very excited, so I'll take you guys with me.
Keep right.
मम्मा बैठो, ऊपर देखो. So we've had our dinner and we want to pick something. So we are going to Morning Bazaar and I don't know what time it is, but probably around 9:30ish. So yes, me and mom are going to Morning Bazaar and I love it here. So guys, पीछे का mess please ignore करना. Not like आपके पास कोई और option है, but again. So of course I told you guys I am going to show you what all take 3 guys. So I'm going to show you guys what all I shopped and इसमें से कुछ मैं पहन भी चुकी हूँ, तो don't mind about that. So the first thing is my bags from Tommy. Black sweater लेके आई हूँ and this is a very plain basic black sweater and ये सेल पे था तो ये मुझे मिला है 3299 का. Next is this sweater from H&M. This is a very oversized but fur वाला sweater which I wanted from a very long time and इसके अंदर मेरे पास एक blue color में है जो मैंने शॉपको से लिया था, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू अटैच अ पिक्चर और अ वीडियो ओवर हियर, विच वॉज very much cheaper than how much I bought this one for. The next thing that I bought from H&M, मैंने H&M से 3 hats खरीदी हैं. I don't know why, but ये भी सेल पे थी and I wanted to buy hats, तो मैंने 3 खरीद ली. So the first one is this. It is black and white and इसके अंदर एक detailing है which I love, which is this. So I really love how it looks for some reason. The next is pink color में इसमें, and इसके अंदर थोड़ा सा ये बड़ा है, and this also looks very cool. What were these earrings? जिसका टैग मुझे पता नहीं कहाँ पे है, because ये मैं already पहन चुकी हूँ उतार के उसी टाइम पे. The next thing that I bought from H&M are these shades. And these look very nice. और मुझे चाहिए थे काफ़ी टाइम से shades. So yeah. And these, that's the struggle guys. These shades are for $6.99, so it's quite a good deal. I feel ये बहुत reasonable है. The other hat which I was talking about, the one I bought was this. ये आप लोगों ने मेरे Instagram पे I think देखी होंगी. मैंने reels में इसके साथ काफ़ी ज़्यादा शूट किया है. So yes, that. Also guys, I bought this hoodie from H&M. I really love this hoodie and I've worn this once, and I picked it up from the men's section, and I love this. I love the color basically, and because it has a hoodie, it's very cute and I feel ये बहुत अच्छी लगेंगी bell bottoms के साथ, specifically since I love bell bottoms. And I also bought a set, black swimsuit set. तो मुझे पता नहीं मैंने क्यों खरीदा, but it looked very nice, so I bought it. The next thing that I bought from H&M was this oversized, I don't know, you would call it oversized sweater या फिर a dress. ये भी मैं एक बार पहन चुकी हूँ, but not as in दोबारा नहीं पहन सकती वाला पहन चुकी हूँ, but I am going to wear this again. So this, and it's very pretty. Again, I'm obsessed with blue, so I keep buying blue things. It makes no sense. Then the next thing which I bought, these 2 tops which I'm showing, I bought these from Shopko's. Bought ही क्या होगा वैसे? Whatever, you understand. If you know me, you know I hate yellow color. I mean hate. But I wanted to experiment. So this is a crop top. And इसमें इसकी I love the neck detailing basically, so I probably wear a tube underneath this, and that's it, high-waisted or whatever. The next top that I've bought is this blue and white one, which looks very pretty. It's good to wear when you're going to go have coffee or a small meeting or whatever it is. So this also one of my favorites is this top, and I don't know if the color is visible or if the camera would do justice to the color, but it is so beautiful and I love how the puffy sleeves look. And yeah, this is my last clothing item and it's beautiful. So out of everything, I love this the most and I'm very excited to wear this. ये मुझे इतना पसंद है कि मेरे को इसको पहनने का ही नहीं मन कर रहा है. So yes, this, and the last but not the least is from Miniso. It's a deep cleansing face wash. I don't know how it is, but I needed one, and I love Miniso ke face washes for some reason. So yeah, that. I didn't shop makeup. I ordered 2 things from Nykaa, but then वो बहुत ही basic है and it's not worth showing because you guys know I use that very often. One is the mascara from Smashbox and the other one is a concealer. So yeah. Also guys, I don't know if it's worth mentioning, but it is the best thing. I ordered क्या मैं लेके आई, you guys saw it. Bought a lot of candies from House of Candy, and this is dark choco almonds, and इसके अंदर तो I've got all the bells possible. So that is it for the haul, and I'm quickly gonna wind up, and I'll catch you up after this. So guys, 5 minutes been here and look who came to surprise us. सृष्टि चोपड़ा. Also guys, मैं बताना भूल गई थी या मैंने बताया पता नहीं, but I bought a donut, of course. So this is Merry Christmas के रोड पे. Merry Christmas to all of you, and I hope you guys have a great life, your day, and good vibes. So yes, stay tuned because I'm trying my best to upload every day. Oh, and just in case you guys, I forgot to introduce, she's my sister Srishti Chopra. Say hi, Srishti.
Hi.
Oh, say bye, Srishti. So guys, please do subscribe to my channel, and what to
Like and comment.
and please
Share.
do share it because I'm planning to post consistently. So guys, please show some support, and thanks for watching.